Hello everybody, this is KG, Houston, Texas. We will go through some of the setups we had yesterday that we pointed out and see what the results were. First, one of them was Euro Franc, and you could see that we had a sell signal off this pin bar here. Let me clean up this and the pin bar did get broken of 1.5070, and the price went today, the low of the price was 1.5076, of 1.5070 to 1.5056. The bar got broken by about 20 pips, and the price reversed. Those could I had a sell here, but it was of weekly pin bar, and it still hasn't activated. But the sales that you get that we had yesterday, and we had a signal for, the pin bar was gapped and stopped exactly where we expected it to, at the low of this bar right here, which was 1.5058. Low of this one for today, it's 1.5056, only 2 pips difference. The other pair we looked at was I believe Aldi dollar, and we had a sale also on this pin bar. As you can see, the pin bar did break, and it broke by about 7376 to 7335, about 40 pips. Stopped short of this, stopped exactly on this support line right here, formed by this. Let me show you. Formed by this, the top of these bars here. See, every time we have a these highs and lows of these bars, they form a support. When this area here is reached, people either break even, take profit, or start a position. You have stops for buy or sell. So this always creates a hesitation in the price. As you can see, as soon as the low end get to this two highs right here, we have double high of these two bars, it immediately, and this low here too, it immediately reversed and actually went and gapped this pin bar on the opposite side. That trade that we had was in the opposite direction of the trend. The trend is going up, the short-term trend is going up, and anytime you have a position like that, you have to be very careful, very fast, catch the move, 20 pips, and have a take profit on 10, 15, 20 pips, and just keep going, because the price, obviously, this pin bar stopped short. The high of this pin bar stopped short of 75. The big players know that there is bunch of offers here, plenty of offers, and bids right at this level at 0.75. So this level couldn't get reached yesterday quite a bit, and also we have a moving average here, so this whole level was holding a lot of stops here, and the brokers and the platform, the banks were not going to let this level go and let the price go the opposite way. Before they go hit the stops, reverse them a couple times, make a little bit of money, and then go the opposite ways. What we teach you guys here, it's not taught in almost any course that I know. What I've learned here, I've learned elsewhere, but most of the people teach you how to trade and how to use platforms, use a bunch of indicators, nonsense. This game is pretty simple, and the big players are playing it a certain way. It's a game of levels and prices and price action, and you can just get killed in an action like this. First of all, the pin bar got gapped, so they took a little bit of profit, and then completely reversed again, and also took, if somebody was waiting for this price to come back, as you can see, it didn't. It took the highs of this bar also. So whoever was in this whole game, if they did not move fast enough, they're out. They're completely, all the stops are hit on the bottom and on the top. Today we have a pin bar, but also a bullish outside bar, kind of, because we see this bar gaps the highs and lows of the previous day bar right here, that small pin bar. And if we look in the little bit like that, we can see the price is making higher highs and higher lows, but I think it's coming to a point. You can see it's coming first of all to 50% retracement, 61% retracement. If you can see, 61% retracement is coincident with the 365 moving average. Most likely the banks are buying this price so they can sell it sharp, and whenever this sell will be sharp. Most likely will come down, bounce of the 70 and come back up several times, and they'll take profit, and they'll hit stops several times before they break this level, if it gets broken at all. But as you can see, this level here, this level several times, this level is used as shorts, and finally this level is gapped, but now we're approaching a 70.75 and also a moving average, and also a 61% retracement of this high right here. So just in this couple of things, it's worth thousands and thousands of dollars. All these little simple things that I just spoke in my mouth, almost nobody will tell you how it is. It is like it is, because this is pretty simple. It's a game of levels, game of prices, and a price action. And the total game is that 5% of the people, 95% of the people are always out of sync, either trading against the trend, or they're trading against a triple high, double high, quadruple high, and they're trying to trade the opposite direction. They're trading against levels that we have right here, like 75. It's coinciding with the 61% retracement. It's coinciding with 365 moving average. This is right here, it's huge. You can't just trade against this. But anyway, we're out of time again. I'll see you tomorrow, and happy trading.